hear the words because I think that's like the point of the song. But anyway, so this is a song I wrote after a conversation with my sister. My sister and I we didn't grow up with a dad, so I really didn't because I'm like 7 years younger than her. But we didn't really grow up with a great example. Not to blame him, he has his own life and his own things, but you know, I think a lot of people in that position, when you don't have a great example as a parent, it's hard to find a great partner in life or lover, or, you know, even friendships can be a little difficult because you don't know what to expect. You have such a low bar because nothing was there. So it was really awesome that my sister and I we were having this conversation, we found the most amazing daddies for our kids, the most amazing lovers, and my husband is here. He's the most amazing partner I could have asked for, and I'm very lucky. And it's just, I kind of wrote the song just to kind of keep the faith for everybody that was just like my sister and I. Just because you didn't grow up with a great example doesn't mean you can't find a great example for your kids. So this is called Piece by Piece. And all I remember is your back, walking towards the airport, leaving us all in your past. I traveled 1,500 miles to see you. I begged you to want me, but you didn't want to. But piece by piece, he collected me up off the ground where you abandoned things, and piece by piece, he filled the holes that you burned in me. 6 years old and all, he never walks away, he never asks for money, he takes care of me, he loves me. Piece by piece, he restores my faith that a man can be kind and a father could stay. And all of your words, they fall flat. I need something of myself, and now you wanna come back. But your love isn't free, it has to be earned. Back then I didn't have anything you needed, so I was worthless. But piece by piece, he collected me up off the ground where you abandoned things, and piece by piece, he filled the holes that you burned in me. 6 years old and all, he never walks away, he never asks for money, he takes care of me, 'cause he loves me. Piece by piece, he restores my faith that a man can be kind and a father could stay. Piece by piece, piece by piece, and piece by piece, I fell far from the tree. I will never leave her like you left me, and she will never have to wonder her worth, because unlike you, I'm gonna put her first. And no, he'll never walk away, he'll never break her heart, he'll take care of things, he'll love her. Piece by piece, he restored my faith that a man can be kind and a father should be great.